Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we're back for some literacy. We're going to get going outside today if we can, and we're going to go on a beginning sound hunt for things found in nature. Now, I have created a whiteboard, and you're going to need to create a sheet of some things that you know your students would be successful at finding outside at this time of the year where you live. So I have L, G, G, P, P, I, S, S, and M. So you can either give it to them on a laminated sheet or a tray of some sort, so they can go outside and collect things with the same beginning sounds. So take a look at your area and where you're going, and you might have to change these beginning sounds. So I chose L for kind of like leaves, G for grass, P, we have a lot of pine cones, I, insects, S could be snails or seeds, and M, we have a lot of mud around here. So you can change the initial sounds and go on an outside hunt. Now, if it's too inclement where you live or it's not, conducive to this, I will attach some beginning sound worksheets in some indoor centers for you that involve matching, cutting and pasting and printing. But I always find that a kinesthetic going outside hunt is super fun as well. All right, so those are my ideas for the beginning sounds today, and I will see you soon. Have so much fun. Bye.